guys, welcome to my video. I'm going to be showing you some super cool exercises, how I approach them for best results. But before that, I just was saying here basically that I see fitness as being a whole body, mind, spirit approach. And although on holiday we went on walks, we did yoga, did a bit of surfing, a little bit of gym, we also indulged in drinks and food and all of that lot. To me, balance is the healthiest way to live. Enjoy! This little video was done because we found the coolest gym ever on the beach in, where are we? Santa Maria in South Cape Verde, and we just wanted to have a little go, a little workout. But I thought, perfect opportunity, because there's certain exercises that either my clients love to do and have always struggled being able to do, such as pull-ups and dips and that kind of thing, or exercises that are really effective, say for glutes and hamstrings, which is obviously a problem area for most girlies, or an area that they want to obviously build on, and they struggle with. So the deadlift, definitely anybody that doesn't normally deadlift, it's just not in your mind to bend over, push your hips back, squeeze with your hamstrings and glutes. It's much more natural for people, if you've not been doing it forever, to literally bend over, use your back and use your arms. And it's such an effective exercise. It takes me a while to help people learn the right technique, so wanted to get that in there because it's really effective and you'll love it. So I hope you enjoy it. Put any comments and stuff in the comments below. I'll get back to you, ask any questions, whatever it is. So with the deadlift, this is an amazing exercise for your hamstrings and your glutes, but you really have to make sure you pull with your hamstrings and squeeze with your glutes, otherwise it's going to use your lower back and that's going to hurt. Just to clarify, it will use your lower back as well as your glutes and your hams, but if you round your back and just pull with your arms and back, then it's going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back, and that's when you're going to get pain. And you're not training all your back chain, i.e. your glutes and your hamstrings, as effectively as you can be. So making sure that you keep your back nice and flat. As you can see there, it uses your whole core. So you're coming down, keeping your back straight, pushing your hips backwards. It's that pushing the hips backwards rather than trying to bend over, because naturally you're going to want to bend with your back. But that's what you don't want to do. Just push back. One of my favourite things to do with the bench is to go for cording over, because it was so windy, but using tempo, so slowly lowering and pushing up. Down for 3, push up 4. And this really helps me to properly feel the burn in my chest muscles. I know lots of girlies find it difficult to feel the chest muscles, so this one helps. And especially if the weight's a little bit light as well, so this looks heavy, but it's relatively light. And always coming down to your chest, get that full range of movement, and I can really feel it burning now. Now that is a bit dodgy. So with pull-ups, the best way to learn, if you can't do full one, obviously the aim is you want to be coming up, chin all the way up, and down, chin all the way up, and down. However, it's a really good way to do it. Hold as if you're about to do it. Literally jump and then slowly lower. When you first start doing it, you'll probably not be able to go as slow as this, but the aim is go as slow as you possibly can, build it up over time, and before you know it, I promise you, my clients are doing the same. They're doing it. No, that's how to do it, gals. So dips then, obviously, you want to do full dips, but just the same as with the pull-ups, you can do jumps. You jump up into position and slowly lower. So I'm just going to show you. Start. jump up and slowly lower. Jump up and slowly lower. And in time, you literally just get strong enough, because it's that last part of this movement is really difficult, and it really builds a strength in your muscles through the micro tears. So up and slowly lower with the aim of doing the full.
Never fold it.
It works, and probably this one's three exercises in one, and it's a wicked calorie burner, because you are basically moving the blood from your bottom part to your upper part, and it will make your heart race. So it's fantastic, especially for my holiday, or should I say whole 3 weeks worth of celebration belly. So let's get to it. We're going to start in a squat, coming up, curl, press, down, curl, squat, up, curl, press, down, curl, squat. So I'm recruiting pretty much the whole body. Core, glutes, legs, biceps, shoulders, lots of it. Make sure that you look up where you want to go when you're coming up from the squat. If you look down, you're around your back, and that's not good. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get notifications of any other videos I do. I will do a mixture of stuff, primarily fitness, food, and mindset related. If you notice that I had a cocktail in the intro, that's because I did. Bit naughty, I know, but it is the last day of the holiday, and now I am, like, you know, training biceps. No, reality is, guys, I'm not at my fittest right now, so if you want to join me on a bit of a challenge to get back into fitness, then probably when I get home will be a great time to join me. I've actually had 3 whole weeks of celebrations, whether it be Ascot, weddings, holiday. We've done beach bar crawls, pool parties. England football, hello, how many boozy days and nights has that included in the last few weeks? It's like madness. So yeah, feeling decidedly fluffy and not nearly as fit as I was 3 weeks ago. And I know most people, they kind of get all nice and toned for their holiday. I did quite the opposite. But I like to do things the wrong way around. So after my holiday, i.e. this week coming, I shall be getting back on it with no more of these, and kind of portion sizes that you're supposed to eat rather than the holiday portions, and I get back to my fitness. So join me, guys. Of course, let me know if you've got anything else you want me to include in future videos. Let me know how you get on with the exercises. Hopefully they've been really helpful to you. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel, of course, and see you in future videos.